Hello. Sir, am I audible?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now this given equation, one linear equation they given bunch of equations. Ask them to doing actually using the Gauss-Jordan method. Gauss-Jordan method what it told actually you have to bring the unit matrix. First you don't bring the unit matrix number below the zeros to the right number below this and first you can bring the diagonal matrix. Finally you can make it as a unit matrix. From the beginning you don't bring the unit matrix, that is become very headache actually. Something you have to divide always one if you want to keep means for first equation divided by 2, second something means for divided means for some point while decimal values will come. That's somewhat headache. So what I told, first you can bring diagonal matrix. Once if you get the diagonal, throw out you can divide. Then you can make it. That is easy. So you are using Jordan, Gauss Jordan method means what you will do first. What is your aim?
Sir, yesterday we were doing another.
Yeah, that completed or not?
No, sir,
Homework
not
it.
completed. Gauss elimination.
You want to continue it actually? Nobody tried actually at home?
Yes, sir.
You want to continue that problem, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this completed, we can come back otherwise. Okay, then tell me equations. Then I will appear. What are the equation did? First equation is what?
28x plus 4y minus 2 equals 32.
28x plus 4y
4y minus 2 minus z. Sorry, sir. Minus z, sir. Minus z. Only z. Minus z, sir.
is equal to
32.
second equation
X plus 3y plus
x plus 3y plus
10z equals 24.
third fellow
2x plus
4x
17y. 2x. 2, sir. 2.
ah
17y
ah
plus 47 is it? So I'm not sure with 47 or 4 is it, sir?
that I kept as inside textbook actually. It's another
Sir,
problem.
4Z. 4Z.
4z.
4Z.
If you don't get answer, what is this break or
Equal to
35,
35.
sir. 35. 35. 35.
35. Correct. Kindly ensure remaining people are. Do I will come in 1 minute and come back. See, previous problem you can check the equations. 28x plus 4y minus z is equal to 32. Correct? Wait sheet. That only given you know. Then second equation is x plus 3y plus 10z is equal to 24. 2x plus 17y plus 4z is equal to 35. Nothing correct all in this, not exactly divisible. Z is equal to, you are getting 1.8485. Y is equal to 1.50697. X is equal to 1.8485. Yes, correct only, not exactly. This equation is what? 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 4. 4, 3 minus 1, 2, 6. 8, 5 minus 3, 4, 12. 3, 3 minus 2 plus 2, 6. Correct. This is how we will do. So this is asking Gauss Jordan. You have to bring unit matrix. So number, because there is no one, you can keep 2 and 2. Number below zeros. These are all places 0. First one. To the right number 0 and above 0. Here number 0 and above 0. So you can bring first diagonal matrix. What I told, if you want to make first column 0, use first row alone. Once if you get the first column 0, don't disturb the first row. That you can keep in your mind. Okay. Now what are the operations? Tell me.
Sir, R1 will be R1,
R1 gives
R2
R1.
will be
R2 gives
R2 minus 2 R1.
R3 gives
R3 minus 2 R2.
no. Don't use R2. What I said. But
Okay,
okay, first step you will get,
then
after that you will collapse actually. You want to get first column zeros means you can make first row. Then you can never make mistakes.
minus 4
R3 use
R1.
very good. R1. R4 use
2 R4 minus 3 R1.
very good. 2R4 minus 3 R1. So from this what I understand actually 2, 2 minus 1, 1 is obviously all zeros. Keep in mind. Now remaining can fill. Here you can fill, you can fill. Minus 2R1, 4 minus 4, 0, 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 how much? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2. 1. 6 minus 8 minus 2. Then R3 minus 4 R1. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4. So 1. Check again. Simple. One mistake, this whole thing collapse. Then 4 minus 4. 0. No, something is doing wrong.
Sir, here it will be, in spite of minus 2, it
R3
will be
minus
0.
4
No?
R1. Okay. 5 minus
Sir, in the second row,
8.
sir, in the second row, fourth column, it will be 0, no?
What is the value?
Second row, fourth column, 0, no?
This value.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the
6.
matrix is 4 by 5. You made it 4 by 4, sir.
What is that? Wait.
The
R1
matrix
gives
is 4
R1.
by 5, sir.
This is something else.
The matrix is, yes, sir, 4 by 5.
Wait. Matrix is one column. R1 gives R1. So what will get actually? Four. Okay, yeah. R2 gives R2 minus 2R1. So 0. Then what will get? 3 minus 4. Minus 1. Then minus 1 plus 2. 1. 2 minus 2. 0. 6 minus 8 minus 2. Okay, yeah. Now R3 gives R3 minus 4R. 0. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 is what?
Minus 3.
Minus 3 plus 4. 1. 4 minus 4. 0. 12 minus 16. Minus 4. Yeah. Then R4 gives. R4 gives. Zero. 2 R4. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 2, 6. So 6 minus
0.
0. Then 2 into minus 2. Minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3. Minus 1. Then 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 3. Minus 1. Then 2 into 6, 12.
0.
12 minus 12, 0. Check again, once again. Before going next step, again you can check, sir. Then number below zero, actually they will divide by 2 in textbook. Don't do. Finally I will do. I want to keep number here in diagonal element. So below and above I want to make zeros. What I told, if you want to make second column zeros, use second row alone. If you want second column zeros, use second row alone. Then it won't disturb. So once if you get the first column zeros, again don't use the first row. If you use first row means what? Something if you multiply first row means what? These zeros will disturb. So that's why only in one stroke you can remember. For getting first columns, always you can use first row in zeros. Getting in zeros in second column, use second row alone. In third column, use third row alone. That is the best always. You never.
Sir, in the fourth row, fourth column. Sir, in the fourth row, fourth column, it should be positive 1. Fourth row, fourth
Where?
column. 0, 0, minus 1, 1, 0.
Acha. No. Here. 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 3. Yes. That's right. Now, any mistakes, check. Then finally, we will break our head actually. Sir, everyone okay? Can I move? Check first and tell me.
Sir, it is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because textbook they are giving another textbook. What they will do? No. First number they divide by 2. Here 0.5 they will keep. I don't want to do. With the decimals I don't want to do. In textbook normally they will do this divided by 2. 1 minus 0.5, 0.5, then 2 they will use. That's somewhat a day. Finally I want to do. Now tell me, I want to make this place 0, this place 0, this place 0. So R1 gives what? In this place I want to 0. So what do we get? R1 gives? Use only R2. R1 plus 2 R2. Can you agree? R3 gives R2. Then R3 gives, I want to make this place 0. So what you will do? R3 plus 3R2. R4 obviously 0. Well and good. If it is not there, means I will bring the 0. So already available 0. So no need to problem. Correct
Sir,
or
it
not?
should be R3 should be R3 minus 3 R2, na? Sir, because minus 3
Minus.
minus.
Yes. Yes. Both are minus, you subtract. Now check that. Now write R1 plus 2 R2. This number anyway don't disturb because below 0. Then this is 0. This one I want to 0. Then R1 plus 2 R2 minus 1 plus 2 1. 1 plus 0 1. 4 minus 4 0. R3 minus 3R2 0 0 1 minus 3 minus 2 0 minus 4 plus 6 2. Then R4 gives R4. Correct, sir. Check once again.
Yes, sir, correct, sir.
Now this can I divide also minus 2. This below. Whole thing divided by 2. So start check again once, twice. Minus 2 means this is plus, this is minus. Now what I want to do? Number below 0 to the right number below 0. So I want here number. This place I want to make 0. This place 2 place I want to make 0. So in third column I want to make 0. Third column I want to make 0 means what I will do? I will use third row. So correct or not? Now tell me. Now R1 gives what? Suppose, no, I want to use R2 means what? This minus 1 will come here, whole thing will collapse. That's why what I am telling, if you want to third column zeros means what? Use third row alone. That you can keep in mind. So, I want to make 0 here 0. So, I want to use with R3. So, what you get? R1 gives what? R1 minus what? R3. R2 gives R2 minus R3. R4 gives R4 plus R3. Correct? Now write R1 gives R2 gives R2 minus R3. R3 no change. R4 gives R4 plus R3. Now come on. Two, 0, this also 0, then R1 R1 minus R3. This is 1. Then 0 plus 1. Correct? Check. R2 gives what? R2 minus R3. R2 minus. No. R2 gives 0 minus 1. This becomes 0. Then 0 minus 0, 0. Then R2 minus R3. So minus 2 plus 1. So minus 1. R3 there is no change. 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 1. Then R4 gives what? R4 plus R3. 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1. Now what you will do, tell me? Number below 0 to the right 0, this number, okay? Here number I want to make this place 0. Already these 2 zeros are there. So what you will do? R4 in our column 4 zeros means use R4. So what you will do? What you will do?
R1 minus 4 R4.
R4.
R1 minus R4. Yes, sir.
Remaining okay, happy. This is happy because 0, 0, this only 0. So R2 gives R2. R3 gives R3. R4 gives R4. Now tell me 2, 0, 0, 0. This is minus 2. Am I correct? Correct?
Yes.
1 0 0 0.
What? Then 0. Then I
Minus
think
1. Sir, something is wrong. What is wrong?
yes.
0 1 minus 1.
But we got it actually. This is divided by 2 means what? X1 is equal to minus 1. X2 is equal to 1. X3 is equal to minus 1. X4 is equal to minus 1. But wrong answer actually. 1, 1 I getting answer. First column only. This may be minus 2. Huh?
Sir, first
Sir,
column
in
it should
the-
be 2 in the end. Oh, yeah, first row it should be 2 in the end.
Not minus 2, sir. Plus 2.
Why?
Yeah,
Wait.
plus 2 because
Sir, 2 minus 2.
1 minus of minus 1.
R1 minus R3.
R4 minus 1 is there, no?
So the first row, last element of the first row, sir, it is minus 2, but it should be positive.
This one.
No, no.
No, sir. No, sir. The last matrix, sir.
No.
Sir, last matrix,
First
first column,
column.
sir.
In
First
which
column,
we did
mala, mala,
R1
sir,
minus
-2,
R4.
-2. Mala, mala, sir. -2. Right side, la, mala. That is,
Hey, element position you can tell 1, 1, 1, 2 like this.
sir,
Which
and
column,
-2.
which row, which column?
1 5, sir.
Sir, 1 5, sir.
First row, fifth column.
Yes, sir.
This position. Let's start.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Sorry. Minus. Thank you, sir. So I'm breaking my head. Okay. So that's with small mistakes. I'll do.
Okay, sir, enough, sir, please.
Now what you will do?
Full
is
day
what-
class,
but
sir,
complete.
please,
Go home and complete.
Okay, sir.
No. I'm leaving 8 here.
Okay, sir. Okay.
R1 divided by 2, R2 divided by minus 1. Then you can write x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 1, x3 is equal to minus 1, x4 is equal to minus 1. Okay, conclusion you can give, don't leave. Okay?
Okay, sir. Don't worry, sir. Yes, sir.
I am only worrying.
Sir.
Okay. Bye, man.
Thank you, sir.
I also
Bye,
want to go. I also go and catch my bus.
Bye, sir. Yes, sir. College bus, sir. Time is 4:40, 4:50.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Bye, sir.